we got a tour of the Glen, and I spent a day up at the annex, which was the Glen's Hunter Valley site at the time. Met the board, and I'm going to have to say that first meeting with the board was when the love affair started. I think I heard we were run by five very passionate Aboriginal women on the board, and learning about their stories of why they were on the board. That was it. I fell in love with their purpose. I felt the passion and the meaning behind what they stood for, why they were there, why they loved the Glen so much. Several of them, I'm sure won't mind me disclosing, but have lost loved ones through drug and alcohol addiction. And their purpose for being on the board and part of the organisation is to make sure the next generation doesn't go through the similar unnecessary suffering and pain that they've been through. And hearing all that, I was just all in how I could help.
If this culture clip helped you, hit that like button below, and we'll see you in the next clip.